Hello, friends. Harvard University, a name known for academic excellence, released a surprising study in 2020 that overwhelmingly supported the extraordinary health benefits of the carnivore diet. The findings were groundbreaking, suggesting that a strict carnivore diet could not only improve overall health but also lead to peak physical and mental well-being. However, in a shocking reversal, Harvard has since released new research in 2024 condemning the carnivore diet, labeling it as dangerous and extremely unhealthy. This dramatic shift raises critical questions. What happened between 2020 and 2024? Did new evidence justify this sudden reversal, or are there other forces at play? In today's video, we will explore both the 2020 and 2024 studies, examine the influence of the plant-based food industry, and discuss the 5 chronic health conditions the carnivore diet has been shown to heal. There's a lot at stake, so stay tuned. The groundbreaking 2020 Harvard study. In 2020, Harvard University, under the leadership of Dr. David M. Ludwig, conducted a comprehensive study on the carnivore diet that shook the world of nutrition. Dr. Ludwig, a renowned expert in nutrition and metabolism, sought to understand the effects of an all-meat diet on health markers. The study, published in Current Developments in Nutrition in July 2020, involved over 2,000 participants who followed the carnivore diet strictly for 6 months. The results were extraordinary. Participants experienced an average 12% reduction in body weight, with some losing up to 20%. This weight loss occurred without calorie counting or portion control. The study also revealed significant improvements in insulin sensitivity, with fasting blood glucose levels dropping by 20%, reversing prediabetes in many participants. Furthermore, inflammatory markers like C-reactive protein, CRP, decreased by 35%, reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Participants also saw improvements in lipid profiles, with HDL, good cholesterol levels increasing by 15% and triglycerides decreasing by 25%, showing the diet's benefits for cardiovascular health. Beyond physical improvements, the study documented enhanced mental clarity, focus, and memory, attributed to the high-fat content of the carnivore diet providing steady brain fuel. Harvard's endorsement of the carnivore diet in 2020 appeared to be a major turning point, validating what many in the carnivore community had long believed, that a diet based on animal products could lead to optimal health. The 2024 reversal. What went wrong? But just as the carnivore diet was gaining widespread recognition, the narrative took a sharp turn. In April 2024, Harvard published an article titled The Carnivore Diet, A Terrible Idea, authored by Dr. Walter Willett, a highly respected figure in nutrition. This publication condemned the diet, calling it unhealthy and dangerous. What led to this sudden reversal? Is there new evidence supporting these claims, or are other factors at play? As the carnivore diet gained popularity after the 2020 study, it drew both admiration and criticism. Harvard's 2024 reversal reignited the debate around the diet, and many suspect that external influences, including the powerful plant-based food industry, may have contributed to this dramatic shift. In today's video, we will dive deeper into the potential reasons behind Harvard's flip-flop, analyze both studies, and explore how the ongoing battle for truth in nutrition could shape the future of dietary science. Stay tuned as we uncover the full story. And subscribe for more. 2024 research results. Harvard's surprising reversal on the carnivore diet. In April 2024, Harvard University made headlines again with a sharp turn in its stance on the carnivore diet. Dr. Walter Willett, a professor of epidemiology and nutrition at Harvard's T.H. Chan School of Public Health, released a critical article titled The Carnivore Diet, A Terrible Idea, which raised several concerns about the long-term health implications of the diet. This publication marked a dramatic shift from Harvard's 2020 endorsement of the diet and has reignited debates about the potential risks and benefits of exclusively consuming animal products. Critique of the carnivore diet. Dr. Willett's critique is centered on the foundational principles of the carnivore diet, which restricts food intake exclusively to animal products like meat, poultry, fish, eggs, and some dairy, while excluding all plant-based foods, including fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. He raises the following key concerns. Saturated fat and cholesterol. Dr. Willett argues that the carnivore diet's heavy reliance on saturated fat and cholesterol from animal products could lead to elevated LDL cholesterol levels, which are traditionally linked to an increased risk of cardiovascular disease. While short-term benefits like weight loss or improved metabolic markers may be seen, the potential long-term impact on heart health is alarming. Nutrient deficiencies. By eliminating all plant-based foods, Dr. Willett claims that the carnivore diet lacks essential nutrients like dietary fiber, which is vital for gut health. Fiber, abundant in fruits and vegetables, helps with digestion and reduces the risk of conditions like colorectal cancer. The absence of fiber, along with key vitamins and antioxidants, such as carotenoids and polyphenols found in plant foods, could lead to gastrointestinal problems and a higher risk of chronic diseases over time. Kidney health. Another concern is the strain that a high-protein diet like the carnivore diet places on the kidneys, especially for individuals with pre-existing kidney conditions. Protein metabolism generates waste products that the kidneys must filter out, and an excessively high protein intake may increase the risk of kidney stones or exacerbate kidney issues. Bone health. Dr. Willett also suggests that the carnivore diet could negatively affect bone health. The exclusion of alkaline-forming foods, which are typically plant-based, could lead to an acidic internal environment, prompting the body to leach calcium from the bones to neutralize it. Over time, this could result in lower bone density and an increased risk of osteoporosis and fractures, particularly in older adults. Environmental and ethical concerns. Beyond health implications, Dr. Willett touches on the environmental impact of a meat-heavy diet. The industrial production of animal-based foods is associated with significant environmental challenges, such as greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, and water pollution. Ethical concerns regarding the treatment of animals in factory farming also come into play. A continued critique in May 2024. Following this, Harvard Health Publishing released another critical article in May 2024, titled "What is the Carnivore Diet and Is It Safe?", authored by Dr. Howard E. Lewine, Chief Medical Editor at Harvard Health Publishing. This publication reaffirmed concerns raised by Dr. Willett and compared the carnivore diet to ketogenic diets, which are also low in carbohydrates but include more balanced sources of fats. Dr. Lewine emphasized that the carnivore diet takes the low-carb concept to an extreme by completely eliminating carbohydrates. He argued that while ketosis, burning fat for energy instead of glucose, can induce weight loss, the reliance on saturated fats from animal products can significantly raise LDL cholesterol levels, increasing the risk of cardiovascular disease. He concluded by stating that, despite the potential for weight loss, the carnivore diet should not be recommended for long-term health. What's really going on? These new publications from Harvard in 2024 have raised important questions about the motivations behind the sudden reversal in their stance on the carnivore diet. Is this change based on solid scientific evidence, or are other factors, such as the powerful influence of the plant-based food industry, playing a role? In the coming segments, we will explore the deeper reasons behind Harvard's change in opinion, analyzing the influence of industry and media on dietary science. Stay tuned as we uncover the real story behind this dramatic shift in the narrative in the next part of this video. Thanks for watching.